swear, in every video I knock something over. Oh my god. Hi, my name is Gio with Pop Sugar Princess, and I'm here to show you a quick tutorial of how to fart jokes. And I'm here to show you how to do a contour tutorial. Girl, you need to cut it. Anyways, contouring is basically kind of defining your features in your face and like reshaping parts of your face if you want to do that. But basically it's just kind of using darker shades and lighter shades in certain spots to just kind of make certain parts of your face pop or recede, and I will show you how to do that. And let's get into the video. Hey, if you want to know how to keep doing that or how to do that, keep watching. Yeah. Hello ladies and gents. This part is going to be a voiceover in order to make this video quicker and not an hour like my last video. So sorry about that. I'll just be explaining what I'm doing and acting like a weirdo. The first product I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Sand, and I like to highlight my face first, and typically I will use a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than the foundation shade. And I'm just doing like a cute little Easter bunny face. Usually the areas that I'll highlight are under the eyes, down the nose, forehead, chin. However, every face is unique, and this is what I found that works best for me. I have some scars on my chin from when I used to have really bad acne. I'm a little self-conscious about them, so I like to conceal them with the concealer shade that's close to my foundation shade, rather than highlight that area. I'm just going to blend in all that highlight before adding any dark contour shade. I have a little bit of redness underneath my nose sometimes, so I'll just use a green correcting color to cancel out some of that redness. And yes, I'm going to use my hands to blend all this stuff in, so please let me know if I'm not the only one that does this in the comments, please. For the dark contour, I like to use the Anastasia contour or concealer sticks. I forget which one they're called, but it is in the shade Mink. For contour, I do hairline, cheeks, but you'll want to go halfway, like between your ear and the corner of your mouth. And I like contouring my inner nostrils. I don't know why, I just kind of like the way it looks. I'm sure you've seen this before, but as for the nose, contouring goes, I draw pretty thin lines right next to my highlight that I did. I cut that line by going across the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to blend all that in and drag the contour from my nose lines kind of into that eye socket and right underneath the eyebrow. I've tried so many dark contour shades. A lot of them end up being too warm or have like a red hue to it. This shade, this will be the first time I use ashy in a good way, and I like this in particular because of its ashy and gray, and I want that for creating shadows on my face. And another optional step is taking that lighter contour that you used earlier and placing that right underneath that dark contour on the sides of your cheeks, and it kind of makes it pop out a little more and look a little bit more of a severe, it's getting severe up in here. Oh, I can't do it. And this is a blush highlight I made. It lasts forever on your face, and in my little jar. I've had it for months. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video tutorial of how to do that. Also, if you don't have any homemade cosmetics lying around, look at me trying to be cool. Anyway, I really like this Maybelline blush highlight. Oh my god, these things fell so many times. It's time to bake some eye cakes, and that sounded creepy. And I go ham with this powder under the eyes, above the eyes, sides of the nose, along the nose. Oh my god, these ears. And this is a setting powder. It is a kind of a clay-based one, and I just put that all over my face. And once again, optional, I like to contour with a dark powder. And I use a matte bronzer I got from Ulta. It lasted me forever. I've had it almost a year. And I do apologize for the lighting in my last video and this video. It's a work in progress, and I'm working on getting a normal setup soon, so I cannot wait for that. And now for the fun part. It's time for highlight. I've definitely been obsessed with highlighting, so this highlight is a gold highlight bronzer from Maybelline, and this is my Anastasia Aurora palette, and I couldn't pick one, so why not all of them? Put this on top of my cheekbones and make sure not to get it too close to my nose. I done told y'all I was obsessed. And of course, tip the nose, line down the nose. Grandmother's house we go. Throughout the day, if you want to do touch-ups, I love this kind of color correcting, translucent-ish. I said that completely wrong. And I definitely do. My skin is very oily. I live in Houston, Texas, humidity capital of the universe, so your girl needs a touch-up every now and then. This little guy is a creme brulee lip balm I made. If you are interested in how I made that, let me know. This is an Urban Decay lip pencil in shade Maniac, and I like to go over my whole lip with it, just in case whatever lipstick I am using decides to completely betray my face. At least I have something there, and so I don't look like a complete mess. And this, I'm gonna get emotional. This is my holy grail of lipsticks. I think this is the perfect shade for my skin tone, and it is bae, it is daddy, it is the father of my children. What am I doing? It is NARS Liquid Lip in shade Let's Get It On. And that is my contour video. I hope you liked it, and also leave a like if you want to see more of these type of videos, and I'll be right back. I'm back! Thank you so much for watching, and if there's anything you want to see on this channel, please comment below and let me know what you want to see here on the channel. And I will do my best to provide that content for you, and I will be doing a Snappa tutorial soon, but I just need to figure out how to properly do that so I can see my desktop and all the technology and stuff. Karate chop! So thank you so much for watching. My name is Gio. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much for all the support. You guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. A wonderful rest of your week. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Girl, you need to cut it.